In this video, we're gonna unbox and see what all you get in this OXO Pop 8-piece baking set. Whenever you unbox this set, you'll see there's a lot that comes in it. You get 2 of these 0.4 quart containers. These are great for baking powder, and they do have the square lids on them. And to lock them, all you have to do is press down on the pop lid, and then they're gonna hold all the air in. So it's gonna keep all your ingredients really fresh. You also get this 1.1 quart container, and this is great for brown sugar. And then also in the box, they give you this brown sugar keeper. So you wanna attach this to the bottom of your lid, and this is gonna do an even better job at keeping brown sugar fresh. What's really nice about this is it actually holds it out of the way of your brown sugar, so you don't have to worry about it falling into it because it just locks directly on the lid. Then we also get 2 of the 0.4 quart canisters. These are really great for flour and sugar. These can hold a lot in them. And we also get 2 of the half-cup scoops. These also are able to lock directly on the lid, which is really nice because then you can keep these out of the way of your sugar or flour, so it's just always ready to go for you. What's really great about this whole set is it's all BPA-free plastic, all dishwasher safe, and everything is able to be fully disassembled as well. So these lids do make an airtight seal, so that keeps all your ingredients really fresh. And you can take the lids apart just by pulling on this piece. It pops right off, and then you have this liner, and then you're able to wash all these pieces separate and dry them separately as well. I really love this OXO Pop 8-piece set for keeping all my different ingredients fresh in the kitchen.